How to buy KEK on Raydium. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before that, open this token in CoinMarketCap and click on markets from here. As you can see, we have Raydium here. Now press on Control on your keyboard and now click on the left on your mouse. And as you can see, a new window is opened. So after that, what we need to do is click on Trade on Raydium. Now after that, you will see this Raydium here. Now connect your wallet. Now here connect any wallet that you want. For example, I will use Bitget wallet. Now after that, click on connect, and as you can see, you have here Solana and you have here Ray. Now after that, search for that token or copy the address of it. Now I will go back to CoinMarketCap and copy the token address from here and go back to Raydium. Now paste the address in here. As you can see, this is our token. Just click on add token and now view token list. Now after that, go back and switch it from here. Now search for the KEK. As you can see, this is our token after we added it. Now after that, click on it and you will see it here. Now here, enter how much you want to buy of SOL. It's too much, I know. So 0.2, and this is how much you will receive of that token. Make sure to read all of this and click on swap here, because I don't have any Solana on my Bitget wallet. For your case, click on swap and you will be able to buy it on Raydium. So this is how to buy the KEK token on Raydium. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.